Hello everyone, I am Lakshya from class 8C. Today I am proof that oxygen is necessary for combustion. Let's understand within an activity. So I show you three different cases in which oxygen is necessary for burning. So I take two strands and I place these two strands near the candle like this. Now I take a chimney and I place the chimney over the candle like this. Now you can see candle is still burning. You know why? Candle is still burning because oxygen is passes through bottom and top. So candle is burning. So it is a first case. Now I show you the second case. Now you can see the flame flickers and produce smoke. So in case C, we take a chimney and we place the chimney over the candle and we take a thick notebook or a pad and place the book or a pad over the chimney looking like this. Sometime candle goes off. You can see candle goes off because candles need oxygen, and case 3 the flame finally goes off because the air is not available. So we prove that oxygen is necessary for combustion. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.